Hi guys! Nandito tayo sa Sanya Daronghay, China. And today, papunta kami sa Yalong Bay Forest Park.
This is Squishy Bakery. You can choose any of the bakery in China. You can find some desserts in China or anything. You can buy some food.
Wow!
That's my bakery. You can find some food. Select it.
Refilling station dito guys. May inuman. So let's drink. Pagod na ako eh. Mag-glass bridge. Rope bridge. Glass bridge. Pero hindi namin binayaran yung rope bridge at glass bridge. Mami, nabayaran ba natin yung rope at glass bridge? So magsa-sightseeing lang talaga kami sa park. Kuha na tayo ng map. Yan, English. Laki ng map nila. Tingnan natin. Grabe guys. Parang Disneyland. Ang laki-laki. Sige, mamaya na yan. Ayan, papasok na tayo. Entrance. But of course, there's a ticket. Ayan. We're going over there. The shuttle, yellow shuttle. Ayan. Ay, pupunta pa pala sila dyan. Okay, bilisan natin, mami, para mahabol natin yung shuttle. Tayo! Bawal yung bata sa side. Kasi bakit? Ayan, yung family. Hey, mami, picture. Picture. One. So, dito kami nag-stop sa Orchid Valley. Ano yan? Baka hindi. So, tapos na kami maglaro, pupunta kami sa... Saan? Kahit saan. Kahit saan naman kayo pwede pumunta dito eh. Ang ganda dito guys, bamboo. May resting area dito. Then, take pictures.
Cable car.
Let's go! Guys, you will sweat a lot here, so make sure magdala kayo ng extra t-shirt. Oh, ayan. Restroom sila. May restroom. Ano yan? Ano yan? Sige, mag-picture tayo. Picture tayo, family picture. Ayan, bumaba na sila. Sundan na lang natin. Okay, let's follow them. Okay. Here. hiking. Daming matatanda dito guys. Nalakas pa nila. Wow! Pwede kayo magpa-picture dyan sa ostrich. Wow! Ang cute. Dalawa yan. At may mga animals pa sila dyan. So, hindi kami pupunta dyan kasi may bayad ata. May bayad ba?
Ostrich, yes.
So, 996 kilometers.
May pa-mist-mist pa sila.
Kay Camel, cabbage.
Wow! Ay! Huwag pala dito pa. Flying Dragon Pool. Ah, yun pala yun. Ito na yung Dragon Pool. Kala ko swimming pool. Shelly! Oo! Ang laki. Ah, lake pala siya. Oo. Feel na nasa lake ka. Ang ganda! Ang ganda, guys. Picture? Ganda, guys. Very smoky, foggy. Feel na feel. Wow, may picture pa sila dyan.
Into club 777, it was just like heaven. The dream come true. We're standing in the right place at the right time.
Gusto nyo?
This animal girl caused the crowd.
Yan.
My pretty little animal girl who made me a fool in love.
Eh, kami siya, kami.
Wow.
Maganda sa pavilion, no?
Wow. Ang cute. Nasa-swing pa talaga sila. Ang cute. Guys, nagsa-smoke fog.
Ay.
Ulul. Huwag ka dyan. Grabe, guys. It's so misty. Woo! Ang ganda.
I'm so tired. It's a little bit tired now.
What?
It's just one station. But I feel tired already.
Yes. This park is very big.
Nagawa na ng educational for sa mga students, no?
We are really tired already.
Oh, mommy's very tired already.
I wanna go to the glass bridge.
May bayad yung glass bridge. Wow, what is this?
Papunta tayo sa Chinese house.
What is this place?
Tayo sa China talaga.
Mommy, picture daw tayo dito.
Pero tubig sa gitna. Uy, sandali lang.
Ano yan? Ah, wag na.
Tama ba yung way natin?
May Chinese house here. Free tea? I want some free tea. Chinese. Oh. Ano yan, Daddy? Oh, this is a bridge. We're crossing a bridge.
Under the bridge.
Where?
Your smile lit up
Kala ko daw.
like a sunrise glow. Touch so
Okay,
soft where the seasons flow. We met
going
where the
up.
stars
We're
take their
going
flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the
Nagdag ka lang ng papaya.
Yeah, there's extra payment. There's a lot of food. There's a food area. Saan sila?
Chocolate tsaka matcha.
wild and free.
The food. Food, yes or no?
Hands collide
Wow.
like waves on the shore. Every touch
Wow.
craving more. Eyes meet, worlds colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies,
Ayoko.
your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend. This love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
Guys, it's cold here kasi it's misty and windy. Doon lang sa taas, mainit. So deep. Oh, ano yan? Woo!
The sunken boat.
Yeah, that's a boat, guys.
It's sunken.
Flowers. Wow. Wow. We're going there. Ang ganda. Wow, guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Okay. May pavilion pa sila dyan. Wait, another picture. Last one. Let's go. So, mag-shuttle ulit ata tayo. Uphill ride. Oh!
Single file line.
Single five?
Next.
Yo! Galing, kuya!
May ganyan pa talaga.
Siguro ng magaling, marunong.
May tour guide, may tour guide. Kumakanta mo ang kailangan.
Mga DIYers tayo eh. Yeah, para. Yeah, mga libanag. Doon tayo sa isa. Tarara, tarara.
Kids on the aisle. Kids on the aisle. Don't on the seat.
Same seat.
Ano yung akin? Pwede na kayo ni Mami dyan.
Daddy, here.
Kami dito.
Old phone yan vlog. Okay, next station na tayo. Shuttle ulit kami. Next station. Oh, dito tayo nababa.
Masiyaw dito sa pinaba natin.
Bakit na yan, guys?
Plastic to.
Since di kami nagbayad sa rope bridge, kaya pupunta tayo sa Yanbo Pavilion. Wala tayong ticket, kaya hindi talaga nila. Wala tayong rope bridge ticket.
Water! Mommy, water po!
Tingnan natin.
Talagang lalabas tayo doon.
Hindi tayo mag-rope bridge eh. Rope bridge.
Hindi na tayo pupunta dyan kasi hahanapan tayo ng
Kung
ano.
magpa-pavilion kayo, doon kayo. Yanbo Pavilion tayo, pero mag-CR muna tayo. Oh!
Yan lang yung bridge, mami. Oh, may ikli lang din. Hindi pa siya ganun kahaba.
Oh!
Bakit pa?
Tignan mo, nagsisplit siya.
Look at this small thing. Ate, look at the back.
Ayan na yung hanging bridge.
Vlog siya na ini-invite niya yung mga ano yan.
Tourist.
Ito na yung pavilion. Mami, may ano dyan, oh. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yung sa taas?
Picture pa tayo dito. Benten.
Okay. Pauwi na kami. Ay, pauwi. Ano? Pabalik. We're going back. Everyone, that's the hanging bridge if you want. But we're not going there. So, babalik na kami. Ay, hindi. May ganun pa
Sa
pala.
restaurant eh. Yan yung restaurant, kuya. Galing yan sa restaurant. Sa pavilion.
Gusto mo, mami?
Umikot lang tayo.
Wag na. Or kung gusto mo mag-picture dyan.
Hindi siya hiking. Iba yun.
Di na kami pupunta sa Lovers Road. We're going back to the shuttle bus. Hintayin nyo yung bus na paakyat, guys. See my arrows dyan? Just go to that arrow. The bus has to stop there.
Salubong sa Sigaw. Yan ang sa YouTube na pagkat yan.
Kasi ka lang ba po tayo ito?
Yung mga
Ganda naman ang mga... Ganda ng view, parang Hong Kong. Hong Kong na wala pang building. Okay guys, this is the last stop. This is the full sea view glass bridge. If ever gusto nyo mag-glass bridge. And we have
Restaurant. Hindi. Parang
the water slide. If ever gusto nyo mag-water slide,
Ito ba yun? Nasuot?
ayan, yung mga activities.
Or kung gusto mo si
Let's go down.
Chef.
Okay, so di naman tayo nagbayad ng mga activities, so we're going here just for the sightseeing and pictures. And there's so many much more activities. There's water slide, glass bridge. It's very nice, guys. Very recommended for the kids. And there's a zip line. Zip line and rope bridge and bike bridge. So many activities. Rainforest Drift, Rainforest Magic Cinema. Ayan yung mga babayaran. It's all here in the map, guys. Naman. Ayan. That's all the food stalls and food stores. My cinema and stuff like that. And there's also may dragon sculpture. Basta makikita nyo na yun. Okay, upo muna tayo. Pupunta tayo dito. Basta, maglalakad kami. Guys,
Ito yung water slide.
ito yung water slide, pero di siya nag-operate. It's closed. Baka kasi hindi summer. Ayan.
There was
Hindi kasi summer, guys. Kaya sarado yung water slide.
on this right leg.
Ayan, nalabas na kami. Wow, may drawing pa sila dito. Maraming ganito. And shopping areas. Kung gusto nyo mag-shopping. Sobrang ganda dito, guys. Ano to?
Photo booth.
Ay, ayoko. Wag na. Mami, yan, shopping area. Dito, viewing area. So, pupunta tayo sa viewing area. Wow. For sure, the kids will love this.
Up to the top, below it, restaurant, then wedding hall, and then this is up to the
Oh, picture area. Ano kaya yan? Ayan. Rainforest Magic Cinema. You need to pay for that.
Dino Safari 3D.
Yeah. Ano yan, kuya? Ano yan? Ah, 3D cinema. 60 per person. Ano yan? Zip line. Zip line.
Look at that dome. It's like a wedding hall. And then,
Okay.
ito,
Let's go over there. May restaurant dyan. Tropical Rainforest Restaurant.
Dito ba yung movie? Yan yung movie, oh.
And yan yung, ano yan, wedding. Basta. Ano, punta tayo dun sa wedding. Wedding hall. Wow. Ito ay picture area. Ay? Yeah. Pabalik na kami. I already wore my jacket kasi it's so cold na.
却待风化，又想你漫天涯，
Ayan.
这次轻松无恙。
Mabalik ako when I'm older. For sure.
目光散，心不尘埃。
Dito naman tayo guys sa kabila.
目光所能。
We're gonna try out the other side.
风风花满飘散，旧时已点燃，眉间青色手时光，年轻花，泪湿一双，清晨波澜说话，相思无处
Yan ba yung entrance?
雪中独立旁听他情难断，痴心难还。
Okay.
Wala ko dito sa tower.
岁月斑驳自然，年华依旧绽放，佳人长梦在人下，情无证。
Okay guys, malulubat na to. Last words. Magsakay na lang kayo ng shuttle bus. Maghintay kayo ng shuttle bus dun sa may roundabout. Alright, so after the phone died, we went to a few other places and we walked around. There's still so much to do actually that we haven't filmed. And after that, we just ate some snacks. Thus, we went home. This Yalong Bay Forest Park is such a wonderful experience and it's a beautiful place that you can go with your family, friends. I really recommend it there if ever you're going to Sanya Hainan Island. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.